Step 1. ERP system issues a material requisition list according to the order. The system will automatically analyze the inventory of each model and complete the issuance of by picking lists within event route. Step 2. According to the material requisition list to pick up the hydraulic fittings body and inspect them at the inspection site. Step 3. Automated installation of various accessories. Step 4. Manual inspection, packaging, scanning, and packed into warehouse. 5. Shipper's tablet issues packing lists and labels. Step 6. Load the pallet first, then load the forklift into the container.